Toyota's CEO has just revealed something we've been eagerly waiting for, announcing 10 new models for 2026 designed to turn even the biggest Toyota haters into believers. If you still think this Japanese automaker sells good but boring cars, this is not 2010 anymore, and Toyota now makes some of the most exciting vehicles on the market. Yes, its models are still super reliable, but the new lineup also brings style, luxury, and performance you never thought they would come from the world's largest carmaker. Number 10. Toyota Stout. Every truck buyer faces the same frustrating reality because affordable pickups have vanished from the American market. When the cheapest new truck costs over $30,000, working people get pushed out entirely. But Toyota is preparing to shatter that barrier with the return of the Stout nameplate. The upcoming Toyota Stout will be built on a unibody platform that prioritizes efficiency over traditional construction. This design choice allows Toyota to offer genuine truck capability at a price that won't require a second mortgage. The Stout's extended wheelbase creates more passenger room than any compact pickup currently offers, but more importantly, a cargo bed that actually makes sense for real work. Power comes from Toyota's proven hybrid technology, featuring a new 1.5-liter inline-4 engine that delivers a perfect balance between performance and economy. The system targets over 40 miles per gallon combined, which will make the Stout the most efficient pickup truck in America. But efficiency means nothing if you can't afford the truck, which is why Toyota positions the Stout as one of the most affordable new pickups on the market. And if you think that the Stout is going to be affordable, wait to see the next one. While the Stout targets traditional American buyers, Toyota has an even more radical solution already proving itself in Southeast Asian markets. Number 9. Toyota Hilux Champ. The Hilux Champ represents everything missing from today's truck market: simple construction, maximum utility, and pricing that makes sense for working people. This isn't theoretical. The Hilux Champ is already dominating sales across Thailand and surrounding countries. Now, Toyota's CEO has confirmed the Champ is heading to American shores, bringing its no-nonsense approach to a market drowning in overpriced complexity. The Champ's secret weapon is body-on-frame construction that delivers legitimate truck capability at a fraction of typical pricing. While unibody competitors struggle with heavy loads, the Champ handles over 2,600 pounds of payload, which is nearly double what most compact trucks manage. Towing capacity reaches 5,500 pounds, putting it ahead of trucks costing 3 times as much. Believe it or not, all that capability will be available for just $12,000. Now let's forget about utility and affordability for a second and praise what's coming next from the Lexus brand. Toyota's performance revolution goes far beyond trucks. Number 8. Lexus LFR. The absence of a proper Lexus Halo car has haunted enthusiasts since the LFA ended production. But that drought is ending with the LFR, a supercar that will redefine what Toyota engineering can achieve. The LFR represents Toyota's most ambitious performance project in decades. Instead of chasing electric powertrains like every other manufacturer, Lexus is doubling down on what enthusiasts actually want: a twin turbocharged V8 hybrid system that delivers both incredible performance and unmistakable V8 sound character. This isn't just a road car. Toyota is developing a GT3 racing version simultaneously, ensuring the LFR will compete at the highest levels of motorsport. The hybrid system promises over 600 horsepower from the V8 alone, with electric assistance potentially pushing total output beyond 800 horsepower. But Toyota's portfolio of sports car icons isn't just about super expensive exotic cars. For an average petrol head, next comeback is actually way more important. Number 7. Toyota Celica. The return of Toyota's legendary sports car nameplate addresses a massive gap in today's market. Affordable performance cars have practically disappeared, forcing enthusiasts toward expensive alternatives. The new Celica changes that equation completely. Toyota's new 2-liter turbocharged engine will power the Celica with 400 horsepower, enough to challenge significantly more expensive competitors. But power alone doesn't create a great sports car, which is why the Celica will share all-wheel drive technology with the legendary GR Yaris and Corolla GR. Most importantly, the Celica will offer manual transmission options, which is something increasingly rare in today's automated world. For enthusiasts who want to control their own gear changes, the Celica provides an experience that electronic systems simply cannot replicate. If you think the Celica comeback represents something special, wait to see the next one. Mid-engine sports cars represent the purest form of performance vehicle design, but they've been priced out of reach for most enthusiasts. Number 6. Toyota MR2. The new MR2 brings mid-engine excitement back to attainable price levels. Using Toyota's proven engine technology in a lightweight, purpose-built chassis, the MR2 will feature the same 2-liter turbocharged engine as the Celica, but in a lighter, more agile package that prioritizes handling over straight-line speed. Mid-engine weight distribution creates handling characteristics that front-engine cars cannot match. We are talking about perfect balance, instant direction changes, and cornering capability. Toyota's decision to keep the MR2 gasoline-powered goes against industry trends, but it ensures ensures the car delivers the emotional connection that enthusiasts demand. The two-seat configuration maximizes the MR2's focus on pure driving experience. The world's best-selling car faces unprecedented challenges as consumers shift toward SUVs and trucks. But Toyota isn't abandoning the sedan segment. Instead, the 13th generation Corolla represents a complete reimagining of what a compact car can offer. Number 5. Next generation Corolla. The new Corolla adopts Toyota's latest design language with aggressive styling that makes the car look more expensive than its price suggests. Inside, the new Corolla addresses every criticism of its predecessor with higher quality materials, improved ergonomics, and significantly upgraded technology. The powertrain strategy focuses entirely on hybrid efficiency. Toyota's next-generation hybrid system promises even better fuel economy while delivering more responsive performance and smoother operation. Finally, another big novelty is a plug-in hybrid variant that extends electric driving range for buyers wanting to minimize fuel consumption. Number 4. Toyota Land Cruiser FJ. Off-road enthusiasts face a frustrating reality as genuine capability costs a fortune while affordable SUVs offer only the appearance of adventure capability. The Land Cruiser FJ bridges that gap by bringing legendary Land Cruiser engineering to a more accessible price point. The FJ's boxy styling immediately communicates its serious off-road intentions. High ground clearance, short overhangs, and rugged body cladding create a vehicle that looks ready for adventure rather than just daily commuting. The pricing strategy aims for approximately $35,000, which is significantly less than the full-size Land Cruiser, but has enough capability to satisfy most off-road scenarios. Number 3. Toyota BZ5X. The market is desperate for affordable off-roaders, but Toyota knows very well that the perfect mix of practicality and electrification is the ticket for the future. Large families face limited options in the electric vehicle market. Most EVs prioritize efficiency over space, leaving families stuck with compromised seating or cargo capacity. The BZ5X solves this problem by bringing 3-row electric transportation to mainstream pricing. Built on Toyota's dedicated electric platform, the BZ5X maximizes interior space through intelligent packaging. Range anxiety has prevented many families from considering electric vehicles, but the BZ5X targets 300 miles of driving range through advanced battery technology. Solid-state battery technology could potentially extend range even further while reducing charging times. Number 2. Toyota Previa. Minivans offer superior space and functionality compared to SUVs, but they've been abandoned by most manufacturers as buyers chase the perceived status of crossover vehicles. But things started to change lately, and Toyota's decision to revive the Previa nameplate represents a bold bet that families will choose practicality over image. The new Previa differentiates itself through electrification, which is an area where traditional minivans have lagged behind other vehicle segments. Both plug-in hybrid and fully electric powertrains will come, providing efficiency advantages that help offset the minivan's aerodynamic challenges. The Previa's smaller dimensions compared to the Sienna will create perfect opportunities for families who need minivan functionality but prefer more manageable sizing. Number 1. Lexus LF-ZC. Electric vehicles have failed to capture the luxury market effectively because they prioritize technology over emotional appeal. The LF-ZC represents Lexus's solution, an electric vehicle that delivers the luxury experience traditional Lexus buyers expect while embracing advanced electric technology. The dramatically low profile immediately sets the LF-ZC apart from typical electric crossovers. At 54.8 inches tall, the LF-ZC creates a coupe-like silhouette that communicates performance and luxury rather than utilitarian efficiency. Range represents the LF-ZC's most impressive capability. Toyota promises approximately twice the range of conventional electric vehicles, which could mean over 500 miles of driving between charging sessions. The interior technology integration goes beyond simple touchscreens, as AI-powered systems learn driver preferences and adjust vehicle settings automatically. Production begins in 2026, making the LF-ZC one of the first luxury electric vehicles designed from the ground up to compete with traditional luxury cars rather than simply offering electric alternatives. For Toyota, 2026 will be the year of big novelties. We expected incremental updates, but instead got a complete automotive revolution, from $20,000 trucks that shame competitors costing twice as much to supercars with 800 horsepower that challenge Ferrari. But as large and mighty as Toyota is, it's not like smaller companies like Subaru are without trump cards. This company is bringing 5 big novelties for the next year, and you definitely don't want to miss that preview. From redesigns of its key models to brand new models, Subaru's new lineup is definitely something you must check out.